In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Canon PowerShot digital camera to your compatible iOS device. Let's get started. With built-in Wi-Fi technology, you can easily share photos from your camera to your iOS device. We recommend using Camera Access Point mode. This is the most convenient method, which allows you to connect your camera directly to your mobile device without the need for a wireless router. First, let's download the Canon Camera Connect app on your iOS device. Find and tap the App Store icon, then tap the search icon. In the search box, type Canon Camera Connect, then tap Search. In the search results, tap Get, then tap Install and complete the installation. Now let's connect your camera. Please make sure the camera's date and time are correctly set up, and a memory card must be inserted in the camera before proceeding. Press the Wi-Fi button. If this is your first time pressing the Wi-Fi button, you'll be shown a device nickname. Use the default nickname or enter your own. The nickname you choose will be used later in this process. Tap OK. On the connection screen, tap Connect to Smartphone. Then tap Add a Device. The camera's SSID, beginning with the nickname you selected earlier, will be displayed. On your iOS device, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Find and select the network name or SSID shown on the camera, then enter the password displayed on the camera. Once the device is connected, return to the home screen on your iOS device and open the Canon Camera Connect app. The following screen will appear. This screen will only appear once, the first time you open the app. Read the agreement, and if you agree to the terms, tap Agree to continue. On the Camera Connect welcome screen, tap Skip. Then tap Close. The Camera Connect welcome screen will only appear once the first time you open the app. When this screen appears, select your camera. When you see this message on the camera, tap Yes. You can now send images from your camera to your iOS device. Using the Canon Camera Connect app on your iOS device, tap Images on Camera. When a list of images from the camera appears on your iOS device, tap Select. Then choose the images that you would like to transfer. Once your images are selected, tap this icon. Your photos will now be transferred and saved to your iOS device. A resize option screen may be displayed. Choose an option and then tap OK. After the images have been saved, tap the X icon in the upper right of the screen. Then tap the left arrow icon in the upper left to return to the menu screen. To end the connection, tap the X icon in the upper right of the screen. Then tap Yes. If you'd like to connect a different mobile device, we need to reset the wireless settings in the camera. In the wrench menu, tap Wireless Settings twice. Then tap Reset Settings twice. Tap OK to reset all wireless communication settings to default. Please follow the video again from the beginning to connect your new mobile device. Also, if you lose Wi-Fi connection because of an updated operating system or an app update, performing a wireless settings reset may resolve the problem. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your Canon PowerShot digital camera to your iOS device. You can now share photos from your camera to your mobile device. For help with connecting your camera to a Mac, Windows computer, or Android device, please visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching!